Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying core requirements. This avoids wasted steps later. Check that you have 64-bit Windows and at least 8 GB RAM, plus about 20 GB free. These keep the emulator stable. Next, reboot into BIOS or UEFI and enable Intel VTX or AMD V because the emulator needs hardware virtualization. Once done, update your GPU driver to the latest vendor release, which fixes rendering and compatibility issues, and then download the Google Play Games beta installer so you're ready to run it. Now install and configure the beta build. Right-click the installer and choose Run as administrator. This prevents permission errors. During setup, accept prompts to enable virtualization features like Hyper-V or Virtual Machine Platform if Windows asks, because the app uses a virtual device layer. After installation, open the Play Games settings and set resource limits. Reserve 2 to 4 GB RAM and roughly 4 CPU cores for smoother gameplay. Also confirm graphics mode uses your dedicated finish by launching Google Play Games and signing into your Google account. Allow the emulator to complete its first time setup, since it finalizes images and permissions. If you hit a black screen or poor performance, switch the graphics option between DirectX and OpenGL, or disable the integrated GPU so the dedicated card handles rendering. If apps crash, try rolling back the GPU driver or reinstalling the beta. Toggling CPU virtualization off, rebooting, then back on often clears stubborn virtualization faults.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.